And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I see it clear, I state my case, of which I'm certain. I'll live a life that's full, I travel each and every byway, but more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, I saw it's true, without exemption. I blame each effort course, each careful stay along the byway, but more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate up and spit it out. I face it all, and I grew stone, and did it my way. I've loved, I laughed and cried, I had my fill, my share of losing, and now I still have time. I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, 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 not me, I did it my way. For what is a man, what has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the thing he truly feels. And on the world of one who knew the look of shoes, I took the blows and did it my way. The look of shoes, I took the blows.